नमस्कार दोस्तों, समाचार 24x7 में आपका स्वागत है। जी हां, ये ट्रेलर देखने के बाद आप ये तो जान ही गए होंगे कि आज हम आपकी मुलाकात किससे कराने जा रहे हैं। आज हम आपकी मुलाकात कराने जा रहे हैं 13 मई को रिलीज होने जा रही हिंदी फीचर फिल्म अजहर की स्टार कास्ट यानी इमरान हाशमी और प्राची देसाई से। तो आइए जानते हैं कि क्या कहना है उनका इस फिल्म के बारे में।
Well, it's much different than being an actor, because learning a different sport. Obviously, I've played cricket before, but not the kind of technicality that Azhar has. So, learning the sport, technical aspects, how he used to stand in the crease, how he used to tap the bat, small nuances, mannerisms, and I'm more of an offside player, and Azhar is very strong on the leg side. So, just learning that was a huge task for 4-5 months, and the leg glance and the flick shots were very tough.
आज तो जिससे भी बॉलिंग करवा ले, पिटना तो आज सबको है। हमारी तरफ आजा, अल्लाह हमारे साथ।
लगता है भूल गए बड़े भाई, मेरे नाम में मोहम्मद है। I want to dedicate this award to somebody very special.
Well, the audience can tell you if I've justified the character. This is my perception of how Azharuddin is, and the audience might choose to go there and see it the way they want to see it and perceive it. But we have, it's not just me. I think the entire team has done a lot of hard work for all the characters, for the entire team, from the costumes, everyone. And they are the people who, behind the scenes, may give the characters some shape also. And for me, it was just following mannerisms like the way he walks on the field, how he eats, how he sits, small mannerisms, and of course the cricketing shots, which a lot of people out there who will watch a lot of cricket will be they'll be the judge of how I've played cricket, and if it's very close to the way Azhar used to play cricket.
Sangeeta, this one is for you.
मुझे जिस तरह के लोग पसंद नहीं, तुम वैसे ही हो। क्रिकेटर, मैरिड।
Extremely unusual, because generally when we portray real life characters on screen, it's usually someone who you know of, who you've possibly seen in some kind of capacity, whether it's a sportsman or a celebrity, an actor or something like that. So this was very unusual, because Noreen has been like a mystery to everyone, and she has been associated with one of the biggest cricketers that India has seen. So finding out about that, getting to know more about Azhar's life through that, I think all of that was very interesting, very unusual, and I just think it's sort of very nice to play these kind of parts in films, because it's a rare opportunity.
तुम्हारे आगे बढ़ने की दुआएं मैंने मांगी, आज मुझे पीछे छोड़ दिया। हमारे जैसे प्यार को इज्जत कम ही मिलती है।
महंगे शौक, महंगी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के शौक, ये हाथ में आ जाए ना तो पूरा मैच बन सकता है।
Well, if someone takes this innocent face a little more seriously, then possibly yes. So far, I think people have just been exploiting something that worked for me a few years ago. From my first film, Rock On onwards. So yeah, people kept offering me things which were very close to that. I would personally love to experiment with different parts, and it would be interesting for me as well, because I've never tried that on screen, right? So I think someone should give me something like that.
100 से एक काम कर लो, कोई याद नहीं रखता। एक गलत इल्जाम और सबने बुला दिया।
उन्होंने 25 लाख ऑफर कितने ने?
पर ये अजहर ना हाथ में आता ही।
आपने अंडरप्ले करने के लिए MK शर्मा से 1 करोड़ रुपए लिए थे।
मैं किसी MK शर्मा को नहीं जानता हूँ।
150 प्लेयर्स हैं, 11 टीम्स हैं, फिर तेरा ही नाम क्यों?
इंडिया की हार की कीमत कितनी है?
इनको जेल होनी चाहिए।
मेरी वजह से सबका सिर झुक गया।
लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए कि इंडिया में क्रिकेट के नाम पे और क्या-क्या होता है।
Okay, well, this is second time you guys are together. Yes. So how was the experience together?
It was great. We had a lovely time doing Once Upon a Time Mumbai when we shot for that. We got to know each other through that film, And the audience obviously loves our chemistry on screen, and it's very good working with her. She's extremely chilled out, very professional, no hassles, complete hassle-free actor, and I think that's gotten better with time. And she's become more of a mature artist. She's really played the character of Noreen very well, and we had a great time, all of us.
And you, Prati?
What great things can I say about Imran? I think it was wonderful doing this film together again. I think the wait was too long. It took people 5 years to actually pair us together again. I hope that the next time we work together, we don't have to wait for 5 more years. The familiarity helped a lot because we share a great rapport, and I think it only made things sort of simpler because the roles in itself were very tough to portray. And yes, I think Imran has really evolved as a person. I think in his personal life and his professional life. Whatever that he has gone through in his personal life, I personally feel like it reflects in his work on screen in a more evolved manner, and I think you'll get to see that in Azhar.
Your experience with Nargis?
Nargis and I have actually, you should watch the film to see whether we do have scenes together or not, but yes, we have we've been together in Hyderabad as well as during the promotional tour, and it's great fun having her around. I think when the two of us are together, Imran feels totally left out. We laugh the loudest at each other's jokes. We're the ones who really get each other's sense of humor. See there, it's just that I have so many more nice things to say about her. So Imran's already feeling left out.
What will you say about Nargis?
She's great. Everything that she said is true.
But you never laugh at her jokes. You
laugh at her
you don't laugh at any of our jokes.
I go in the other room and laugh. It takes me some time. It takes me some time to get the joke.
So what would you like to say to the viewers about the movie?
The film is releasing on the 13th of May, and I want everyone to go see it. It's a fantastic story. It's a great human story. Very dramatic, very entertaining. And of course, for cricket lovers, it's a treat. For people who don't like cricket, it's just a fantastic film.
Okay.